Transport Systems owner Curt Nuccitelli is now challenging the law in court, arguing it violates the state constitution and could ripple through the entire supply chain. He joins us now. Curt, thanks for being with us. My guess is when they put up the billboard on this millionaire's tax, they didn't put pictures of guys like you on the billboard, but you're the guy who's going to get hit just because you happen to run a business and run it in a way where the business's profit runs through your own personal tax statement. What are you doing to fight this? What chances of success do you think you have?
That is yet to be seen, and the main reason why I'm doing it is because it's kind of misleading, and the perception out there is, that you have some millionaire sitting in an ivory tower that's being impacted, when it's actually small businesses like mine that will be impacted. As an S corp, my business doesn't pay tax; it flows to my personal income, so that's where the line has to be kind of drawn.
Yeah, Curt, I hope you can tell us a little bit more about what you anticipate this is going to do to your business when this tax becomes a reality, in just a couple of years' time. 9.9% going from no tax to 9.9%. I imagine that's going to impact you, maybe your employees, how you operate your trucking business, the prices that you might have to pay. Tell us more about what you anticipate.
For sure. I mean, in prosperous years, I need to use keep that cash to invest back in my equipment, in my company, for my employee salaries, benefit package, so that we can continue to remain viable and stable and prosperous. And the other tenet of this bill is that you are not allowed to carry losses forward into future years. And so I'm coming off of 2 years of loss. So on situations like this, my next year that I'm able to make a profit, I need to kind of offset those profits with the years that I was really lean.
Curt, have any of your state representatives reached out to you? Have they responded to you reaching out? Has anyone shown any interest in the fact that this could be incredibly harmful to small business owners?
No, they haven't. And I think that's also a really important point. The fact that the governor and our legislators pushed this through without going to the voters is indicative of that they're not really concerned. They should have taken it to the voters. It's been struck down since like the early 30s or something like that. So when they're circumventing our legislative process and using the judicial system, when they've admitted that they knew it was going to go to court, now that's the taxpayers that is actually paying Washington State to go fight these lawsuits.
Curt, I was really struck by what the governor's office described this tax, the intent of this tax and what they hope to accomplish here from Governor Bob Ferguson. I mean, he says that he just wants to shift the burden of paying taxes to the state's highest earners. They want the state's highest earners to pay for things like childcare, education, health care. But why should that obligation follow to such a small portion of folks? And also, would you consider yourself to be the state's highest earners when it's your earnings that are passing through to your personal income tax?
I think that's misperceptive to say that we're the highest earners. Paycheck to paycheck a lot of times, year to year, month to month. I think that the governor, dangling those carrots out there of what they're going to use the money for is, again, very misleading. We as a state, I think we're close to like $1 billion of lost revenue just through a variety of fraud from employment, et cetera, et cetera. I think that they need to go look at why they're having such a shortfall in their budget and fix the government oversight that they already have, and not trying to put a Band-Aid on it by just taxing what they are claiming to be the 1% wealthiest in the state.
Curt, I think this is really a raw deal for you. I think it's a raw deal when they say they're going after the millionaires and instead they hit the small businesses. I hope that you have a lot of success with your lawsuit. And more importantly, I hope that representatives of your state start paying attention to the people that they're driving out with their terrible policy. We got to leave it there. Curt Nuccitelli, good to see you.